Hey guys, this is me, GAUTAM. So today I am going to tell about my 3 super powerful activities. So I am going to start, but before starting I would like to thanks to all parents because they find time for our parents meeting. So thank you for everyone. So I would like to start why I have come here because I have completed my 200 videos consistently. So that's why I am here and I am going to tell in my speech some hidden meaning. So I am going to tell that how you can in less time you can do your all works. So I am going to tell you that. So I would like to start. My name is GAUTAM. My school name is RJS English High School, as well as I am the student of Step by Step English Speaking Classes Academy. Guys, I would like to start. So my topic is my three powerful activities. So first is that fast. Fast means it is on Friday. Friday means it was day before yesterday. So fast means we get chance to talk English every day, and it is very important. So fast is most important for me, and this is first. And second is ACHP. ACHP means Achievement Challenge Help and Planning. Means it is on Saturday. Sorry, it's on Monday. We have to do means tomorrow. We have to do just 2 minutes. Means you have to just call your friends or accountability partner, and you have to just talk 2 or 5 minutes. So if you will do like this, so your confidence will go up and it will be more useful for you. So ACHP means what we have to do. We have to do one Zoom meeting, means Zoom call. So then afterwards, then we have to discuss with him ACHP achievement means in the week which achievement you got. So it is so like this we have to do. And last is that videos are very simple activity. We have to do that in very 2 minutes. It is very 2 minutes game, and we have to just it is simple. I would like to tell you, we have to go not live. We have to just switch on our mobile, and there one app is their camera. So just we have to make a 2-minute video, so you can see your confidence in only 1 week. So it is that, and I would like to tell, in starting I told you that I am going to tell you some tips you can do in small means little minute, and you can do more works. So that if you are having 5 works, so you have to just see that which is most important work for me, means which is important for me. So you can do that first, and if 2 are there, so you can do that first. So then remaining afterwards you can do. So thank you.